Hey everybody, Tim from Workshop 12 here with some exciting news. So everybody's been asking us over and over, we get so many different demands of, can you do this car, can you do that car, what about this car next? Well, today we're here to announce that we're actually going to open up pre-order deposit programs for 2 new vehicles. So those 2 new vehicles are the 2015 Plus Subaru WRX and STI, and the other is the 2013 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. So those are the 2 new vehicles that we are planning to be able to do. They get the most amount of requests that we get from the community. So our view on all of this stuff is if there's enough demand for certain vehicles, we'll go ahead and we'll build some plastics for you guys to be able to have them into your cars. So we've opened up 2 different programs. So they're deposit programs the same way that we did with the 370Z. So that means essentially you make a $60 deposit as soon as all of the different pre-order deposit slots fill up. That gives us enough money to actually go and do the R&D for the 3D laser scanning, the modeling, all those different revisions to be able to create the plastics for those cars. So for both of those programs, each car needs to have 50 different deposits. So we need 50 deposits of $60 for each of the different cars. So whichever one fills up first is the one that we're going to start working on first, but we can do different ones in parallel as well. So those are the 2 vehicles that we're going to be going with. There's details on the website. There's a link below in the description here to take you back to the different pages. Gives you a little bit more details on there. And that will give you some renderings. So we've got some Photoshop renderings on there as well to give you an idea what it might look like in those cars. The 2015 WRX and STI is going to have some climate control that we're going to be leveraging what we've learned off the Scion FRS and BRZ as well. So we should be able to bring a really cool package to both of the different vehicles. So that's our announcement news. The other thing that we'd also like to announce is that version 3 of the Brainiac software is now available in Google Play. So it allows you landscape view, you've got some customizations in there. We've had a video that's up to show you all the things that are new inside of version 3. That's now available in Google Play. If you've purchased the app before, you'll just get it as an upgrade to the existing software, so you can download and install that. And we have version 4 that's underway as well, and we'll be posting updates there. So that's what I wanted to talk to you a little bit about today, is the announcement of our 2 new vehicles that we're opening up with pre-order programs. If we can fill those pre-orders with those deposits, then we'll go ahead and we'll create plastics for those cars for you guys. So thanks a lot for tuning in. Please subscribe and join us for other videos on the channel, and we'll talk to you soon.